Hello, meet Feeling Well, a bot developed with automated scheduling and assistance to promote wellness, all from the ease of your fingertips. My name is Zetchen Liu. I was the programmer for this project.
And my name is Amina Fong. I was the researcher and chief strategist for this project. Feeling Well is a bot that can be utilized by employees to develop their personal wellness in the workplace. The bot incentivizes employees to take breaks for developing wellness by offering monthly rewards based off the amount of breaks they take. In these break sessions, we offer the employees activities that they can take to help develop their emotional, environmental, mental, physical, social, spiritual, and financial well-being.
Now let's move on to the demo portion of the video. So our monthly rewards come from a rewards ladder. We have three, one for individual, group, and logged activities. And as you can see, these reward ladders correspond with point systems, which associate a certain number of points with predetermined awards. The point systems are updated depending on when employees take breaks, with individual ones being updated automatically, whereas group and logged activities are reported by users. Now let's take a look at the bot and how it works. First of all, our bot has a scheduling assistance for the breaks. For scheduling, employees can go to Set Timer and type in Set. Then they can choose to do it as an individual or group. For individual breaks, employees will be sent a card on how far out they want to arrange the break. Depending on the employee's answer, the corresponding break and time slot will then be placed on the employees' calendars. For group breaks, a standard group break meeting time will be booked instead on the calendar. Now let's move on to the activities that the employees can take during the breaks. To start, the employees first set up what area of wellness that they want to focus on. For a demo, I will show off mental and spiritual, but our bot has activities for each of the areas of wellness, and I would encourage people to use our deployed web chat to check out the different activities our bot offers. For mental well-being activities, we currently consist of games to help people take a mental break consisting of Minesweeper and Connect 4. So we set up the area as mental, and now let's ask the bot for an activity. We will get prompted if we want to go on an anonymous server. In this case, we're going to say no. And this activity will need us to log in with our Microsoft account. And once we log in, this will log our login into the monthly rewards ladder automatically for the ladder that has automatically logged info. We envision these automatically logged break data to be used for data crunching for companies to improve their own well-being initiatives. Now, if we ask for an activity again and say yes to the anonymous server, we will get a server in which we will not have to log into any account, and this one is not logged. When we are done with the break and activity, we go to the validation channel and say done. This will cause the bot to ask if we're doing a group event. For these games, there are currently no group events, so we say no, and it says 1 point awarded, and going to the rewards ladder, we see the point being logged here. Also, we give employees the option to go on an anonymous break and self-log their breaks through the validation channel because we worry that they might feel uncomfortable letting their bosses know when they're taking breaks if the breaks are automatically logged, and thus they can become reluctant to actually take breaks. Now going back and doing a spiritual activity, we currently have it going to meditation videos for the employees to follow along to. For this, we do have a group activity, and if the employees choose to do it in a group, they will be sent a link for a Microsoft Teams meeting that they can join for the group exercise that will start at standard time. The group break awards 2 points and goes to 2 different reward ladders because we would like to encourage employees to do more group activities to feel more connected with others and more inclined to share their troubles with others. Finally, the bot does have some preloaded in FAQ questions. So it can answer questions like, what is mindfulness or where can I find therapy? The goal of this is to help employees who have more direct questions regarding their mental health or well-being. Finally, taking a quick look at our architecture diagram, I'll explain how Feeling Well was constructed. The bot that handles giving employees activities and general questions was made from Bot Composer using Q&A Maker to handle general questions and Lewis for employee conversations. The bot was then deployed to Azure Bot Services. The automated logging of information for activities for companies to data crunch to improve their well-being initiatives was done through using application insights to get information on the websites and Azure functions to transfer that logged info into a more accessible place, in this case, Azure Tables. The bot that handles scheduling breaks and self-logging points was made using Power Automate, and this bot also communicates to Azure Tables to transfer that info into the Excel sheet that holds all of the reward ladders.
This is just the beginning. Feeling Well is rather new, and in the future we hope to work on better integrations with Microsoft Teams, such as automating invites between parties for break taking. With new ways to approach promoting wellness, we are simply scratching the surface in terms of how to promote wellness in the workplace. We hope that through solutions like Feeling Well, we can dismantle social stigmas against wellness and encourage productive and impactful progress on wellness in the workplace.